I had the privilege, and I think even I'll take it to myself, the vision of establishing a collaboration between the Rimon School of Music in Israel and Liceu Conservatory in Barcelona, and I think that this is part of a networking that is essential for young musicians as well as established musicians to get together, to make music together, to know each other, and to learn from each school's experience, each culture experience. And I think that this wonderful school is one of the best places that we should send our students to, and hopefully have some students at Rimon. And I think that this is the next thing. I mean, the world became very small, and there is nothing more natural than just putting people from all over the world together. Israel and Spain and Barcelona are very close. It's really near, even same mentality sometimes. And I think that it should work, and we'll be working on establishing it more in depth and putting together project and exchanges, and we're looking forward. I had a great experience with the Liceu Big Band, because I found young musicians who love music, who are eager to do music, open-minded, great players, great attitude. And for me, it made me very happy to meet such people. Not that I don't meet people like this around Israel or in other places in the world, but it says that the level and the musicianship here is so beautiful that it was almost immediate. I could feel immediately that we'll have not only a great time, but we'll have also a great success in putting quite a complex project together within 2 days, which is, of course, a lot of rehearsal time. But putting together such a concert in 2 days is there's nothing else to say but congratulations, admiration to everything that or everybody that I met here. I met here great students, great people, ready, prepared, want to learn, want to put music together, open-minded, splendid, as they say.